Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to generate a verified fake comment on TikTok. Before you use this, you must be a pro. I beg, don't tag me if they catch you. So use it. It is just meant for fun, like meant to catch up people's attention, to get more engagement and the rest. It is not meant for scam. Please don't use it for fraud. So I'm teaching it for educative purpose only. So if you want to learn how to do this, I'm going to provide you guys step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. If today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, please stay tuned to the end, and trust me, you will enjoy this video. So let's dive into it. All you need to do is to head to your Chrome or Safari. So you're going to search for talkcomment.com. So this is how it is. So if you want it to be a verified TikTok account, you select it, you click on that place they wrote verify. You can see the way I did it. Then before you do this, you have to go to the celebrity that you want this to be. You have to head it to the celebrity account. Make sure that you save the same picture that he used on TikTok to make it look real. So I've already saved mine. So all I need to do is to choose it. Then I'll click done and it will display there. Then all you need to do is to write the celebrity name. Okay, this is his name. Then all you need to do is to input the comments that you want him to comment on your video. It is actually a fake comment, but the comment that you want people to believe that he actually did. So all you need to do is input something relatable. Then this is it. This is how it will display. All you need to do is to download the comments. Then download. So have been downloaded. Then you head into your files. This is the comment. All you need to do is to save it so it will be in your gallery for easier edit. Then the next thing you need to do is to head into your CapCut. Then click on new video. Then select the video that you want the comment to display. For instance, this is the video. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on overlay. Add overlay. Head to photo. Select the saved image, the image that you saved from files. Then you use your hand to resize it well, then drag it to any area of your choice. Prefer it to be in this way. Then I'll drag it from this white button. If I highlight this, I'll drag it from here to the end of the video. Then I'll highlight this black area, that is CapCut watermark. Then I have to delete it. You can see this is how it is. And no one will actually believe that this is a fake comment. So you can go ahead and export your video. Smoother playback 60, Opti flow, turn it on. Then increase this to 100, then export. And that is it. That is how to generate verify fake comments on TikTok. If this video was very helpful for you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and turn on your notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you and see you in my next video.